Can you leave a company during your probation period without notice or immediate resignation? Well, no, you can't just waltz out from a company, because that's a violation of all sorts, and more importantly, that can lead to a claim of abscondment. So be very careful, because if you're an employee and you've been hired for a company, whether you're in probation or after probation, you cannot just not show up. Unless, and I say this, unless it's one of these employment, so to speak, where you're not sponsored by the company and you actually don't have an employment agreement yet. The company is sort of hiring you so-called on probation, which all of this is illegal, by the way. But if it's one of these arrangements, then you don't have a contract, you don't have a visa that ties you to the company, and you just want to stop. So that's already, the arrangement is illegal. You're working illegally. The company is hiring you illegally. So if you want to end that kind of an arrangement, yes, then basically you can just stop showing up that same day or the next day. But if you have a visa from the company and the contract, then you need to submit a resignation or termination. Or be terminated, and then during probation, if you're leaving to work for somebody else, again, this is if you have a properly sort of legally structured employment, then you need to, if you're going to work, so the reason for your resignation matters. So if you're going to work for another company, then you need to give a company 1 month notice. And if you don't want to serve your notice, then you need to compensate them for the notice. Otherwise, if you're leaving to go to back home, then it's a 2-week notice.